Hello everyone, welcome back. So till now we just saw the concept of like functions, right? Let me just edit it a bit so you guys would be having the better clarity here. So we are going to see here default parameters in functions in Python. Okay, so how does this default parameters in Python works out, right? Let's just move towards our Visual Studio Code. So if you are just, let's say again you're creating out a function with the def keyword, of course you're going to get a greet function name here. You're going to already specify a name which is going to store a default. Okay, you're going to greet out the guest. Okay, and also if you want you can just specify the guest value whatever you want later on. Okay, so how does this thing is going to work? Let's say once I'll be done with program, you guys will understand my logic, what I'm trying to explain here. So I'm just saying here, hello to my name, whatever the name would be. Okay. I need to use our semicolon here. I mean colon. Now I'm just trying to call out my greet function. You can check out the response for not giving out the parameters. You'll see that I'm just getting by default guest because I have already defined out guest. Now I don't want that this guest should appear here. Instead of that, I want that it should give me hello Kajal, right? What am I going to write here? I'm going to give a new parameter, a new value. So I'll just write my name here. Okay, and if I'm going to run the program now, you can check the response. That's hello Kajal. So guest is basically the default value what we have given to the parameter. If you are not going to give any updated value or any of the value while you're calling, guest would be taken as the default parameters value. Okay, if you want you can just repeat out the process, there would be no effect on the function. Okay, you can just change out to Sam. That's how you received. Okay, so I hope this default parameters concept in Python programming is clear. And in case if you guys have any like suggestions, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, in case if you are having any doubts to my previous video of Pythons or anything related to function or data structures, you can let me know over the comments and any suggestions as well. Thank you so much.